YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is now. The done back in our lab with another banger reaction. You see me and say, and you see what we are doing with today. We are back with none other than the world boss teacher himself, Vybz Kartel. The one named Polite, which is off for the new 10th anniversary Vybz is King album release. You see me? We done reacted to God is the Greatest and It's a Tape already. So now we're gonna react to the rest of the new tracks that's on the album. You see me I say? Yeah. So we're gonna check it out right now. This is this one called Polite. Let's get it gang.
Baby, my dick is calling you. Girl, on your pussy good, so. Hey, girl, on your pussy good, so.
Yeah. Answer a question.
Come here now. Like custom, strip you down. On my two balls, flick you down. Then you ride me cocky till me come. What a vagina special. It pussy clean like a metal. And your bumper so big, heavy metal. Me fuck you anywhere, girl. Push me hood in your hole and your throat in a sexy goatee. Where you get me vote.
Yeah man, I will get the vote for you, man. You vote. Is it clean like metal, mama? Bumper heavy, like heavy metal, mama. I want to you one. Yeah man, it again. Easy, I will boss this man. Jesus. That man full of lyrics and style. That man full of lyrics and style and pattern can't done. Come true. Vibes, dance.
My dick is calling you. Girl, on your pussy good, so. Hey, girl, on your pussy good, so.
Answer a question, girl. Hey, girl.
Come here now. Like custom, strip you down. On my two balls, flick you down. Then you ride me cocky till me come. What a vagina special. It pussy clean like a metal and your
Easy now, man. Clean like that. Tell her what.
bumper so big, heavy metal. Me fuck you anywhere, girl. Push me hood in your hole and your throat in a sexy goatee. Where you get me vote. I don't wanna be rude. I don't wanna be rude.
You're not sexy goat. You get me vote. Every time. Yeah, man. Oh, me don't vote. Me go back and join the line. Yes, man.
Give me the attitude. Give me the attitude. Pussy so polite. We for fuck for life. We love you like
Life, mama. How I going to?
you for being a wife. Oh, pretty please. Looking at my eye on your knees. When my boss lightly no squeeze. Open up your mouth, tongue out. You win like the Grammy. Fuck the other nominees.
Oh, clean. Easy, mama. You win like in Grammy. Don't worry about the side nominees there. The contenders. No, man. Are you are? Not you. Yeah, man.
Looking at my eye on your knees. When my boss lightly no squeeze. Open up your mouth, tongue out. You win like the Grammy. Fuck the other nominees. And the nominees are you and I, but you win by far, baby girl. You're the star.
And the nominees are you and I, but you win by far, baby girl. You're like what?
These are you and I, but you win by far, baby girl. You're the star. Fucking on my Porsche, what a car. Merci beaucoup, au revoir.
Hey, beaucoup, au revoir, mama. Hey, what you?
Merci beaucoup, au revoir. I don't wanna be rude, let you write my own. Give me the attitude, give me the attitude. Pussy so polite. We for fuck for life. We love you like you for being a wife.
No, yeah, man, that is it. What you?
Is calling you. Girl, on your pussy good, so. Hey, girl, on your pussy good, so. I don't wanna be rude. I don't wanna be rude. Let you write my own. Give me the attitude. Give me
The attitude.
the attitude. Pussy so polite. We for fuck for life. We love you like you for being a wife. I don't wanna be rude. I don't wanna be rude. Attitude. Give me the attitude.
Good. One, two. That is it. Yeah, man. Vybz Kartel. I want to name Polite, mama. I don't want to be rude. But when you give me attitude, give me attitude. Easy, bad tune, yeah man, mama. Put it in like that time, mama. You see, you won't feel heavy like heavy metal, mama. Ah, yeah man, easy now, man. Yes, man. Yeah man, big up on us, yeah, big up to your boss. You see me, not a bang idea I got drop. You see me, I say, yeah man, it's a vibe. The man definitely just after the new release tracks, dog just up the shit another level. Plus he'd been at hits and bangers on that. Come on, that's crazy, man. Vybz Kartel, polite. You don't know what time it is, gang. If you love it, if you're gonna show that some love and support, you don't know what time it is. You know, say the dance, you know. Drop your request so you can get your shout out, all that good stuff, gang. You don't know. Road to 10K now, gang. I'm only 1,600 from 10K. You see me say, hit the like and subscribe button. Do the right thing. Code is life. You see me and say, gang? I'm there, man. Be bangers me drop on the top. You see me and say, around the clock. We now stop. Yeah, man. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.